across the infield. All right, keep going, Parker. Keep going, Parker. Oh, man, Patrick gets a little confused. And our winner is Parker, who's first to third base. All right, let's give Parker a nice big round of applause.
All right, guys, way to go. Patty's picking up where Uncle Slam left off. Mr. Patriot, you are now 0-2 on the season. Hey, we want to wish a special anniversary, the 35th anniversary, to Tony and Anna. Thank you guys for spending your party at the park here at the Fitz. Also, a very happy 10th birthday to Tessa Fackrell. She's got happy birthday wishes from Emma and Isabella, CJ, Braden, Haley, Hannah, and Cameron. Happy 10th, Tessa. And this is a rarity. We actually have an apology to announce to Mr. Mackin from Cameron. Apparently Cameron had the most perfect throw ever and hit Mr. Mackin with a water balloon last night, so a paid apology. Sounds like we're having a big party at the park tonight. Thanks guys for being a part of it.